Hello my lovely, welcome back to another video. Today you're in for a special treat. I am going to be giving you a tutorial showing you how I use curly Proverbz, henna and aloe mask. I know you've been waiting for it because I've had a few comments and people saying, girl, bring the tutorial out, please. Well, it's here today. Let's get into the video. Now, if you have not already seen my very detailed haul and mini review of Curly Proverbz products, I'll have it linked right here for you, and it will also be linked in the description. So just before applying the henna and aloe mask, I did a hot oil treatment using the Curly Proverbz Coffee and Orange Glow. I'll have that video linked below. And after I applied the henna and aloe mask, I used the Curly Proverbz hair oils to do a super defined braid out. I'll have that video linked below also, but let me go ahead and show you how I applied the henna and aloe mask. Right, so the contents contained within this product include obviously henna and aloe vera powder, as well as fenugreek and slippery elm bark powder. If you know me, you already know what I'm going to say. I will give you all of the benefits of each of the ingredients a bit later on in the video. I've added in some hot distilled water that I've allowed to cool for about 10 minutes. You can of course use coconut milk or aloe vera juice if you'd prefer. I then go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of melted organic shea butter. Now you really don't need to add in any butters if you don't want to. This is just usually what I like to do for its conditioning properties, especially because I won't be using any conventional conditioner. So in goes 1 tablespoon of organic honey. I literally add honey into everything because I love how it makes my hair feel, but again, feel free to skip this ingredient if you'd prefer. Personally, I would say to add some peppermint essential oil. I'm using 10 drops, and I'm also adding in 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. I'll explain why I add these a little later on in the video. Now I'm going to let this sit for about 3 to 4 hours, and I'm going to wash my hair. I actually used my homemade natural organic shampoo to cleanse my hair and scalp. I'm super proud of that recipe, and I'll have that tutorial linked below for you. But once my hair has been hot oil treated, detangled and cleansed, it's time for me to apply the henna and aloe mask to both my scalp and hair. You can see just how healthy my hair is looking from continuously using 100% all natural ingredients, and at the time of me filming this video, it's been about 16 months since I used any store-bought conventional synthetic product on my hair, and it's definitely paying off. Okay, so this is what the mask is looking like after about 4 hours, and I like to keep the hair I'm not working on in the cap in order to keep it damp, because if my hair begins to dry out, it's a bit more difficult to apply the mixture. I'm going to start off with applying a massaging the mask into my scalp and then apply it to my hair, being sure to coat every single strand from root to tip. I personally like to do henna treatments on my hair usually about every 4 to 6 weeks, and I'm noticing that this is really helping to keep the strength and moisture balance of my hair. If you get this balance right, it's a lot easier for you to retain your length. So I would recommend you incorporate henna into your hair care regimen, especially if you're someone like me who doesn't like to use synthetic protein treatments. You'll see throughout this video that this has benefited me massively. Okay, so let's go over the benefits of each of the ingredients within the henna and aloe mask. Starting off with the henna, which is a natural strengthening deep conditioning treatment. It reduces hair fall, adds volume to the hair, it softens the hair as well as adds shine. The way in which henna strengthens the hair is by binding the keratin in the hair shaft, and this is what can help to reduce split ends and breakage. Now henna can also help to balance the scalp's pH, and it has antifungal and antimicrobial properties, so it can help to prevent dandruff and scalp irritation. Now I've been asked before if henna changes the color of my hair, and yes, it has. It's changed it to like a coppery sort of purple tint color, but it's literally only noticeable in the sunshine when the sun's like beaming on my hair. Otherwise, in all honesty, my hair looks black in all other lighting. For those wondering if henna changes the color of grey hair, in my experience, I've applied henna to my mum's grey hair multiple times before, and it's changed her grey hairs into like a bright copper color. Moving on to the benefits of aloe vera powder, which naturally moisturizes and strengthens the hair strands. It promotes healthy cell growth because of the vitamins and minerals it contains. It also cleanses the hair without stripping it of its natural oils, so it's great at preserving the integrity of your hair. So the vitamins contained within aloe vera powder are vitamins A, C and E, so it's amazing at promoting healthy hair growth. It helps to prevent dryness, and it helps to protect the hair against UV damage. Aloe vera acts as a natural conditioner, so it leaves your hair shiny and manageable. It minimizes frizz, and it has antifungal properties, so of course it's great for the scalp. Now let's go over the benefits of fenugreek, which is another great ingredient added to this product. So fenugreek helps to soothe the scalp. It's rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals that can help to promote hair growth. It can help to promote blood circulation to the scalp as well, which is going to help strengthen the follicles. Fenugreek also reduces hair fall, it improves shine, it nourishes the hair and it helps to prevent premature graying. Last but not least, let's discuss slippery elm bark powder, which I'm pretty sure helps to give this product some amazing slip, making it really easy to apply this product to your hair strands. So this is another ingredient that's great for moisturizing and strengthening the hair. It helps to retain moisture in the hair. It helps to soothe an irritable scalp and prevent dandruff. It leaves the hair with a lovely shine and enhances your texture, and overall it just leaves your hair feeling really soft. Now the reason I like to add in both peppermint and rosemary essential oil is because these are great for blood circulation to the scalp, so they're amazing at promoting hair growth. Also, they have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, so really helps to calm and soothe an irritable scalp as well. If you are someone who is struggling to retain length, or maybe you're someone who struggles to retain moisture and your hair easily becomes dry and brittle and breaks, do you find that your hair excessively sheds? Maybe you've been suffering with an itchy or irritable scalp. If this is the case, please do consider subscribing to my channel because I show you the benefits of practicing holistic hair care. You can see my journey because I've documented the whole process. You see, I used to suffer with all of these issues I just mentioned to you, and I managed to solve all of my hair and scalp problems once I made the switch over to natural ingredients. Please do not underestimate the power of healthy hair practices. Understand that the ingredients you're using on your hair contribute to the health of your hair, your scalp, and overall health in general. So please do be mindful when it comes to the product choices you make in relation to your hair. Please also support business owners who sell healthy ingredients and products for our hair and take away the power of those who don't put our health at the forefront. Our health may not mean anything to them, but it should definitely mean something to you and us in general as a community. So support those who support you with your hair health, and Curly Proverbs is doing just that. Please do let me know actually in the comments if you've tried any of her products and what you thought of them. I ended up leaving the treatment on my hair for about 45 minutes, so now I'm going to wash it all out with some warm water and I'll show you the results at the end of the video. I'll also give you my final thoughts on this product. I'm actually currently in the middle of doing a 6-month hair challenge. I'll link a video right here where I detail exactly what the challenge entails, and at the time of me filming this video I'm 4 months in, so in 2 months time when the challenge is up, which will be in May of 2025, I'm going to record a video of me blow drying my hair and comparing my hair to how it was back in like October of 2024. Make sure you have your notifications on for that video, okay, because it's going to be very detailed regarding not only the results, but I'm going to be going over everything I did in order to achieve my hair goals. One of the main things I'm doing, which has been making a huge difference with my hair, is taking the Curly Proverbz MSM powder daily. When I tell you I haven't skipped a day, I've just come back from Thailand when I filmed this video. I trust and believe I was sure to pack my MSM because your girl was not about to have any MSM days off, okay? But anyway, you can see from all of the side-by-side video clips that my hair is growing at a fast rate, and I promise you this was not by accident, all right? This was very strategic and very intentional. Make sure you have your notification bell turned on, babe, because when I upload my video, my detailed video showing you the final results of my hair challenge, listen, you will learn exactly how I managed to get to these results. So what I'm noticing from using the henna and aloe mask from Curly Proverbz is how it's making my hair look and feel. I can always tell if my hair likes a particular product or ingredient because the frizz is minimal and my curls, they just start to pop, all right? My hair feels extremely soft, and I can tell you this product is 100% a new staple in my hair care regimen. So as you can tell, I absolutely, with a passion, okay, I have to add on that bit as well, love the henna and aloe mask. Now, I will say that I didn't even need to add in the honey. I'm a little bit skeptical. That's why I did it. Whenever I've used herbs on my hair before, they've been quite drying, okay, because they're quite strengthening. But in hindsight, I didn't need to do that with the curly Proverbz henna and aloe mask. So the next time I do it, I am not going to add anything else. It's even instructed on the back of the package. Just, just a bit of water or a bit of coconut milk, a bit of aloe vera juice, whichever one takes your fancy. That's all you need. But I'm fast, and I'm fast. I wanted to add in my little spice. Do you know what I mean? Next time, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to add water, and that will be it. Now, hear what I'm saying now. Hear what I'm saying. The herbs are extremely good quality. And you know why I know this? Because it was super easy to wash out my hair. There were no crumbs left behind. And that's normally what happens. Have you noticed if you use Ayurvedic herbs in your hair and you're washing it out and then you finish washing it out and you're like, bloody hell, there's bloody herbs everywhere. Not with the henna and aloe mask from Curly Proverbz. When I washed it out, that was it. I was done. I can honestly say I've never tried herbs on my hair before that have had that much slip. I'm guessing it may have been from the slippery elm bark powder, maybe. Whatever it was, it worked. It worked amazingly well. It was a treat for my hair, and it's just left my hair so shiny, so soft, so strong. It just ticks all the boxes, basically, is what I'm trying to say. You won't be disappointed if you give it a try. If you've tried it already, please do let everybody else know how amazing it was. Please don't let them just think that that I'm being biased, because I really am not. I'm telling you the truth when I say the henna and aloe mask is everything to me. Guess what I did? I did a braid out using Curly Proverbz golden one, and these are the results. I'm shook. I love it. Okay, so check this video out if you want to see exactly how I did it. Peace, love, light and blessings to you and yours, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching.